Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover kinds of pronouns. So today I will enlist you the kinds of pronouns which will be done one by one in the upcoming videos under the playlist of pronouns in English language. I've already given you a basic introduction to pronouns where I have explained you the basic meaning of pronouns and its usage, so you can go and check that out first and then come to this video. All the important links will be linked down in the description box, including the playlist of pronouns in English language. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. There are 10 different kinds of pronouns in English language which will be discussed in the upcoming videos under this playlist. As I have said earlier, the first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. The second is possessive pronoun. The third one is demonstrative pronouns. Fourth one is distributive pronoun, and the fifth one is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns. The sixth kind of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. The seventh is emphatic pronouns. The eighth one is indefinite pronouns. The ninth is relative pronouns, and the 10th and the last one is interrogative pronouns. So all these kinds of pronouns will be discussed under the playlist. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlists will be linked down in the description box for you to check. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.